To add products to your GoDaddy website, follow these steps. Log into your GoDaddy account. Go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Access Website Builder. From your GoDaddy dashboard, click on My Products and select Website Builder. Choose the website you want to edit. Go to Store. Once in the Website Builder, click on Edit Site. In the left-hand panel, click on Store to access the Product Management section. Add a new product. Click on Add Product. You'll be prompted to enter details for your new product. Add the product title, description, price, and upload product images. You can also configure product variants if applicable. Set product options. You can set options like SKU, stock quantity, and shipping settings. If your product is digital, make sure to mark it as such. Save and publish. After entering all product details, click Save. To make your product visible to customers, click Publish. Manage products. You can add more products by following the same process or edit existing products through the Store section.